As we approach 2026, the transformative power of artificial intelligence is poised to redefine various sectors in remarkable ways. The first trend that stands out is the increasing integration of AI into everyday applications, making it accessible to even the most non-technical users. Imagine a world where AI assistants don't just schedule your appointments but also predict your preferences, enhancing productivity while providing personalized experiences throughout your day. Next on the horizon is the rise of ethical AI frameworks that seek to ensure transparency and fairness in AI systems. As societies grapple with issues related to bias and data privacy, organizations will invest heavily in developing guidelines to govern AI usage. Visualize a landscape where every AI decision can be traced back to its reasoning, promoting trust in technology as a partner rather than a replacement. In 2026, we will also witness unprecedented advancements in generative AI technologies. The ability of AI to create artistic content, from music to visual arts, will enhance creative processes in ways we've only begun to explore. Picture an artist collaborating with an AI to produce innovative works, merging human intuition with data-driven insights to revolutionize creative industries across the board. Further, AI will make significant strides in healthcare, particularly in predictive analytics for personalized medicine. With AI systems analyzing a multitude of variables such as genetic information and lifestyle factors, healthcare providers will be able to offer tailored treatments. Visualize a patient receiving custom-tailored healthcare regimens that leverage data analysis to drastically improve outcomes and enhance overall quality of life. Automation driven by AI will reshape the workforce landscape by 2026. Many routine jobs will be augmented or replaced by intelligent machines, while at the same time, new roles will emerge, demanding a workforce adept in managing and collaborating with AI technologies. Envision a future where professionals reskill and adapt, opening new avenues for career growth and technological alignment. Finally, AI's integration into smart cities will be more than a trend, it will be a necessity. From traffic management systems that analyze real-time data to improve urban mobility to AI-driven energy management for sustainability, smart cities will transform urban living. Picture communities governed by integrated AI systems that improve quality of life, enhancing connectivity, safety, and sustainability in everyday life.